Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, let me explain what I do here. I like to show diamond paintings. I unbox them, I show you what you get, how they come. I work on diamond paintings, show you progress. I show you finishes when I have some finished. I also love my yarn and crochet. I'll show you yarn, I'll show you progress. I do a crochet live on Friday afternoons. We're always working on a fun project and we have a good time in there. Books is another one of my loves. I'll show you book hauls from time to time, not very often. But on Tuesday nights, I do a book discussion with my friend Brandy from Mystery of Diamonds. If any of those things sound interesting to you, just peck around on my channel. I've got playlists. You can check out the playlists and see past videos. And I hope you return because you find something here that you enjoy. So today we're going to look at some diamond paintings from Diamond Art Decor. And thank you, Diamond Art Decor, for letting me pick out a selection of items to show. And let's get right into it and show you what we got. Okay, move aside. All right, things that come in boxes. You know I love things that come in boxes. However, as I was opening this to figure out who this is from, because you always have to open up the packages and look through, figure out who it's from, I realized I already have this. And I think I meant to order a different one. So it's my little hanging gnome sign, and it's January. And I know I have January. I need September. So I'm sure I intended to order September, and I didn't get it. You have to be very specific and put in, DP Clubs is one of them. They have multi-listings. So like all of the gnome hangings were in one listing, and then you had to pick the correct code for the month you wanted. And I must have messed that up. Anyhow, I know I've done this when it's downstairs. I have them all together so I can just pull them out each month. And here we are, it's September, and I don't have September. I wanted September, darn. But this one turned out really pretty because look at this. First of all, we have these iridescent rhinestones. These are my favorite rhinestones. They are so pretty. Makes all those snowflakes some snow. A couple of blues, and then we also have just some clear rhinestones. We have a little bit of orange, and then these are larger. These are not rhinestones. These are a little bit bigger. They're blue. And we have some iridescent clear little marquees. We have some pretty blue marquees and these pretty pearly teardrops. Love those. It turns out really nice. It really does. It's very pretty. I just still need September. Oh, goodness. I'll get it. Maybe I'll order, next order I order from anybody. I'm ordering September. Okay, what else do we get? Let's show you what we got. Okay. Toolkit, look like that. Here's our drills. Isn't that pretty? It's a sunflower, but it's like that Van Gogh style. The Van Gogh style of sunflower with all the pretty swirls in the background. Isn't it pretty though? I love that one. How many drills does this have? 8. So it's got 8 rhinestones and then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 total drills. Look at these. These are going to be huge, right? It's going to be so pretty. I love it. I love it. You know, I just recorded another video and I had a sunflower item in it. And I'm just like, I just can't resist the sunflower stuff. Sunflowers just draw me in. All right, let's see what we have. We have clear rhinestones, gold, green. This is gold too, but it's a little different shade. It's a little more brownish gold. A peach, pretty blue, lime green, cobalt blue, and a tealy blue. And look at those. You know where those are going, right? Boom, 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 boom. That's where they go. Okay, big gold shiny balls. Look at these. These are huge. They're huge. Some of the biggest teardrops I've ever seen for all those petals. And then we go to these cute little green faceted marquees. Okay, these are different. I have never had these. Wow, okay, those are very different. So they're gold on the front, they're gold on the back. They're just a little marquee. Those are cool. I've never had those before. Huh, neat. And it goes, okay, it goes around all these sunflowers, all these little sunflowers here. Get one of those. Ah, nifty. All right, and then we have some lime green clear rounds. Love it. Those go in the center of the sunflowers, I bet. Yeah, they do. They go in the center of all those sunflowers. That's cool. Wow. Okay, this one's special. I like it. Okay, there we have it. The Van Gogh sunflower. What else do we have? Well, you asked. Let me show you what else we have. We have a gnome. Yep, we had to get a gnome. I mean, every once in a while, I got to throw a gnome in. There are so many now in special drills. It's just crazy. But this gnome, he's the gardener gnome, right? Of course, I had to get the gardener gnome because, you know, I'm a gardener. Got tulips over here. These look like some succulents. That, I don't know. I don't know what I would call that. Almost looks like a poppy, but it's got some butterflies. Look at the hat. I love the decorated hat. That's so cool. This one has 10 different drills. Looks like 3 of them are special drills. Want to see them? I know you do. Everybody wants to see them. That's the fun thing about special drills, especially when you find something new, like those little gold ones I just showed you. Never seen those before. Oh, look. Let me point this out to you real quick. This is one of the canvases that's coming with the outside measurement of 30 by 30 and the inner 25 by 25. I've been seeing that more and more lately. I like it. All right, pretty colors here. Ooh, those are gorgeous. Wait till you see those. Sorry, I got a little sneak peek. Gold rhinestones, green rhinestones, gray, clear, purple, pink, light tan. Look at those. Oh my. Wow. The base is pink, but I see green and gold and blue. Those are gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. Really? Hang on. Number 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. There's no 8. Is this 8? That's B. No, where's the 8s? Where's the 8s? To only use 2 of them? Seriously? There's one here and one here. Oh, and there's 3 more right there. Good. Okay, because I want there to be a lot of these used because those are stunning. Then we have some little green marquees. And we have our famous orange, the orange claws, as I call them. They'll go on the tulips, on the hat. That's so pretty. So, so pretty. Love it. All right, Mr. Gnome. He's busy. He's busy. Got to put him over here. And then I have this to show you. This is gorgeous. Let's zoom you out. This is one of those larger 40 by 40s. And who could resist a stack of books with a beautiful bouquet of flowers? It's a zinnia. I'm calling these zinnias. That's what I'm going to call them. You call them what you'd like, but I'm going to call them zinnias. Aren't they gorgeous, though? Beautiful flowers. It looks like all of the flowers get some special drills. At least one. Some just get one in the center, but they get something. The books get special drills on the side. That is so pretty. Look at the colors in that. How many are there? 10. 10 different types of drills. It's gorgeous. I love these 40 by 40s. I've yet to do one because during Smashing the Specials, I was trying to get a lot of stuff done. And I kind of avoided all of the big ones. But now that I'm not smashing the specials, I might pull out, oh my goodness, the beauty in here, you guys. I might pull out just a big one to work on and just peck away at it from time to time. All right, so we have a very light pink rhinestone, an orange, a red, light blue, a lime green, and this is like a brown. Oh yeah, for the brown books down there. Okay, are you ready for this? It gets good after this. Round faceted gold. Look at all of those green faceted iridescent marquees. All of this leaf action, right? It's the, oh, and probably the book, the side of the book will get those. Look at these. Oh my, for those flowers are going to be gorgeous. There's 2 bags of those and they're big. I love those. And then we have some gold marquees. That is gorgeous. That is so stinking pretty. Oh, wow. I don't know. I'm going to pull out one out of my stash and just have it around to peck away at from time to time when I kind of get tired of doing something full drill. You know what I'm saying? So we have that. And then, of course, this will go into my giveaway box. So somebody's going to be lucky and they're going to get little Mr. January there as a gift for one of my packages. So there you have it, folks. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, come back, see more videos, become part of our wonderful group we have here. I appreciate all of those things you do so very much. So for now, have a great day. I hope to see you soon. And it's time for me to get out and play with the flowers. Everything was floral here except him. I didn't even know that until just now. All flowers. Time for me to go pick some more zinnias. My zinnias are blooming and they're beautiful. Hey, let me ask you real quick, like, when I said that this reminds me of zinnias right here, right? What do you think? Doesn't it? That's one of my zinnias. This is a wiltering batch here, but how about this one? Right? Zinnias? I'm telling you, I think they're zinnias. Okay. All right. See you soon, everybody. I got to go to the garden. Bye.